Now that we've read this story, What's That Sound? We're going to read all about the science behind sound. The book gives us a little bit of science as we read. We use our ears to hear. Everything we hear is sound. Sound is a kind of energy. Sounds can be soft or loud. Sounds can have low pitch or high pitch. After we hear the same sound a few times, we get to know what it is. Our ears and brain work together. Amy's ears heard the sound and her brain said, "That's a moth sound." Sound vibrations go right into your ear. They hit your eardrum, which vibrates just like a drum. Then 3 tiny bones vibrate too. A liquid behind the bones also vibrates. Little nerves send electrical messages to your brain and you hear. You can muffle sounds by covering your ears. Very loud sounds can damage your hearing. That's why some people wear defenders to block sounds. Even traffic noise and loud music can hurt your hearing. Not all at once, but little by little over time. Dad's grumbling stomach was loud. Most other body sounds are hard to hear. A stethoscope makes them louder. Sounds get louder as we get closer to where they are coming from, because the sound waves are strongest there, where they start. When we get farther away, the sound waves spread out and get weaker and weaker until you can't hear them anymore. Large, wide tuba equals lower sound. Small, narrow tube equals a higher sound.